customer, dear partner, dear friend, a famous theme. Never let good practice go to waste. Nowadays, the lockdown caused the traveling restriction. Business, complicating relations, surprising scientific details. FENSTEK working on this sentence and turn the good crisis to the opportunity. FENSTEK broadcast live in our factory. My name is Angel. I'm happy to be the host through 1 hour here. Through 1 hour here. Now in China, it is 10 o'clock evening. I would like to extend my greetings for you. What is the FENSTEK live show? It is a new and fresh project. This project will hold on 50 minutes or 6 minutes today. We also invite you to interact with us. If you have any question, please leave a message here. Just like, what do you think of our machine? Do you have any questions of our machine? Or which machine do you prefer listening our introduction? Okay, well then, I think everybody are ready to kick off FENSTEK live show. First of all, let us invite today's keynote speaker. He is the senior sales consultant of FENSTEK. Welcome and good evening, Mr. Mike.
Thank you very much, Andrew.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you for hosting our FENSTEK live show today.
Okay,
thank you.
Yeah. Okay, Mr. Mike.
Yeah.
Can you introduce yourself and a brief introduction about FENSTEK?
Okay. Hello, everyone, and welcome to join our FENSTEK live show today. And my name is Mike from FENSTEK Machinery. And for myself, I joined. I started in this industry in the past 19 years. I started working in this industry, and I already traveled to 23 countries in the world, and already supplied the machines to 77 countries in the world. So it's my big pleasure to share the information with everyone in here. As Andrew said, today is a live show. Today is a live show for FENSTEK, and so we welcome all our friends to drop their message, to drop their queries in here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yep.
can you have a brief introduction about our company, FENSTEK?
Okay. So for FENSTEK company, FENSTEK, we are supplying the PVC and aluminum window machine, and also facade processing machine. So such as the cutting machine, the welding machine, corner cleaning machine, crimping machine, and also the CNC machining centers. All the full set of machinery we are supplying for the window and the facade fabricators. And FENSTEK, we are already in this industry in the past 22 years. And our machine already been exported to 77 countries in the world. And all our team already traveled to 43 countries in the world. So we have a lot of experience to share with our customers.
Okay.
Yes.
So, Mac, what is the main motivation behind the creation of this live show?
Okay, it's a good question. And as we know, because of the COVID-19, this has become the biggest crisis in the new century. And the COVID-19 bring a big impact to all the world, to each nation, to each company, to each people. And especially we feel very sad to see, and lots of people lost their life, and a lot of family lost their relatives and their friends. This is we really feel very sad. And but thanks to all the people's effort, thanks to all the government cooperation and the solidarity, the COVID-19 had been controlled in a certain level. And in the May, and we found the worldwide economy was gradually recovering. we received some inquiries from our friends and our dealers. But because of the travel restriction, and also all the main exhibition and event in this industry has been postponed or has been cancelled. So it's not possible for our customer to see the machine actual function in either our FENSTEK factory or our customer factory So because of this kind of requirement, in the June we organized some live show. We organized a totally eight sessions live show, and we get the very positive response from the customers. And also from the last 8 live shows, we also understand. For us, we cannot stop the coronavirus spreading. We also don't know what is going to be stopped. We don't know what will be happening. What we can do, we can only change ourselves to be suitable to be working in the new normal. Right now we call it new normal.
Yeah.
Yes. So because this is also same culture of FENSTEK. For FENSTEK, we believe future is now.
Yeah.
Unchanged is change. Is change. So that's why in this month we decided. We organized another several live show, live demo again in the August and in the September. We will continually organize several live show, live demo to introduce our main products. And also as our program planning in the October, we will come to some our reference client factory in China to have the live demo also to introduce, to share all the Chinese window and facade production situation. This is our idea, our main idea for organizing the live demo.
Okay.
Yes.
So, Mac,
Yes.
what will we talk today in this time live show?
Okay. So today we are going to introduce the aluminium corner crimping machine and CNC corner CNC copy routing machine. And as our planning on the 2nd of August, we will organize another live demo to introduce our cutting the aluminium.
Okay.
Yes.
Let us start from the corner crimping machine.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Yes.
Mac,
Yes.
can you have a brief introduction about our corner crimping machine's function?
Okay. So if we are talking about the corner crimping, machine, first I want to introduce the aluminium corner connection technique, because right now in the market there are three main connection technique. One is a very traditional technique. This is this one. That is this technique. This one is the corner is connected. The corner is connected by the screw. Yes. But for this one, because it is mainly depending on the manual work, and also the screw joint, the corner is not so much tight. So the corner connecting technique not so much good. But it is still available in some economical market. So this is for this crimping for this connecting technique. Another one is we call it the pinned corner. For the pinned corner, they have the profile. The cut is the 45 degree. And the system supplier, we supply the corner cleat. To the supplier, to the fabricators. And then, before the connecting, first they should punch the pre-hose. After that, the operator put the connector. And then they are using the Allen key. to connect it, to tighten it. So this technique is quite good. is popular in some developed countries, such as in Europe, or in Japan or some other market. But anyhow, because this one is mainly depending on the labor work, not machinery, so the production efficiency is not so much high. So that's why in the market there is another technique. It's a crimping technique. The crimping technique. You can see this is a crimped hose. For the crimping technique, first we have the aluminum profile. The aluminum profile is already cut the 45 degree. And also have the corner key already cut by the auto key cutting saw. They cut off because the corner key should be cut according to the profile set, and then put inside. Actually, also as the standard requirement, they also should put glue. Then they pre-connect. After that, they use the corner crimping machine to crimp the corners. Because this one using the corner crimping machine, the efficiency is very high. One corner is only 3 seconds. So the efficiency is very high.
Okay,
this
very
is that's why the corner crimping machine is becoming very popular in the market.
Okay.
Yes.
Good, Mac. Your introduction is very professional.
Thank you,
okay.
Andrew.
I saw there are 2 sets corner crimping machine. Can you tell us what is the difference between of these 2 machines?
Okay. So actually, this is the 2 corner crimping machine. This one is the hydraulic corner crimping machine. This corner crimping machine come to the market on the around 2003. It had been sold more than 20,000 of this machine in the market.
Okay.
It's quite okay, but according to the customer feedback, for this machine they have 2 main weakness. One is because this one is driven by the hydraulic station. So sooner or later the operator have the oil leaking problem. This is one problem. The other one is the crimping tool. The crimping tool in here is difficult to set because for the corner crimping tool, which the operator should set according to the profile section. So the operator feel a little bit difficult to set the crimping tool. So because of these 2 weaknesses, on the 2015, we had developed this market. This one is fully pneumatic controlled. So it solved the oil leaking problem.
Okay, wait a moment, Mac.
Yes.
You mean this is pneumatic?
Yes.
The air pressure?
Yes.
It is enough for do the corner crimping?
Okay.
I think this is a problem.
Okay, this is a good question. Actually, a lot of customers, when we introduce this machine to the customers, a lot of customers ask the same question, whether the corner, the crimped power, crimped force is strong enough. For this machine, we have some special designing. We can look back. If possible, we can look back. Yes, we have the unique designing in here. This one can generate the force 40 kilonewton. So as our testing, it can crimp the profile with the thickness 5 mm.
Okay.
Yes, so it's strong enough. It's very strong enough. So it means like this thickness, if 5 mm, we can easily crimp. Because normally the aluminum profile is only 2 mm or 2.5 mm. Very few more than 3 mm. So the corner crimping machine is strong enough for crimping the aluminum corners.
Okay.
Yes.
After listening your introduction,
yes,
this machine for the pneumatic type
yes,
looks seem better than the hydraulic type, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, can you tell us more advantage about this machine?
Okay. Another point, as we told you, the machine, when we design this new machine, our main function is solving the problem of the old machine. So we have some special or some unique designing in here. The unique designing in here to fully solving the difficult to setting the crimping tool problem.
Okay.
So we have some special designing for this new machine. We can show you.
For the older machine, the adjustment is very complicated.
Okay, because you know the crimping tool is fixed on the stretch bolt. It can be easily adjustable according to the profile section. Now we ask our engineer to show you.
Okay.
Yes. As we can see, our engineer, he should set the tools according to the profile section. He should set it. So now you can see he can easily rotate on the stretch bolt. Here. Now he already found the proper position. Yeah. After that, he can put it inside.
Oh, it is stop suddenly.
Yes, because you know this is also another unique designing for this machine. Because why? We have the magnetic strip in here. What is the benefit for the operator? Because you know the magnetic strip, so it means the crimping tool can be easily positioned or stopped at any place. What is the benefit for the operator? Because you know when the operator they put the corner crimping tool according to the height, he has to set again. Now our engineer he show you. Yeah, because now in China it's 10 p.m. 10 p.m.
Okay.
is very light. It's very dark, so we have to use the light also. Yeah. So now we can see our engineer he can easily adjust the height. According to the profile section. After that, he will lock it. So the setting makes the setting become very easy and very quick.
Okay.
Now maybe he will set up another corner crimping tools. So for this side, he do the same. He will loose the tool. He will loose this part. Find the proper position, and then we can see it's much easier. It is very different from the old one. Later we show you the old one. The old one, the operator have to hold the two cutters always. Now the setting is okay? Okay, so now we will ask our engineer to show you, to demo the machine to everyone in here.
Okay.
So yeah, we will ask our engineer to demo.
I think it is better to understand.
Yes. So just pay attention now. Okay. Yes. So our engineer will show you. This is another special designing for this part. You know, for the crimping for this cutter, one is the back crimping tool, another one is the front crimping tool. The front crimping tool can float up, can lift up and lift down. So make the operator easier to remove away the frame after crimping. But the special designing is here. This one is fixed. This crimping tool is fixed. Don't move. It's different from the other one. The old one, this one, both the back and the front, the two crimping tools are moving. So it means the operator they cannot find the fixed position. The corner cutter, the crimping cutter, the crimped corners cannot be assured very well.
Yes.
Now we show you. Okay. So also to make the setting become easier, all the parts we have the meter. We have the meters in here.
Okay.
Every side we have the meters in here.
Also there is a meter.
Yeah, also in here we have the meters. So why? Because the operator can easily and quickly find the position. So to make the setting and become easier and quicker. Yeah. It's okay? Already finished? Now we demo. Okay. now we.
23
So he lock it already. So now we demo the machine. We demo the machine. So now we can see. The front crimper move forward, and then the two crimper, they push. So now the crimping was finished. We show you the crimping result. We can easily see the crimping result is very nice. The surface is very flat, no any gap. To show the water sealness, we just to make a very simple but very effective testing to show the client, to show everyone in here. Now we have some water, we have some bottled water. We pour the water inside. Now we can see no any water leaking. So it's very easy but very effective to show the water sealness. The water is inside. Yes. So no any water. So
Okay.
yes. So this is the function. This is the full demo for this machine.
Okay.
Yes.
So I think let us see the old type demo that is easier to contrast.
To compare it.
different.
Yes, right. So now we show this is the old corner crimping machine. As we told you, this one is driven by the hydraulic station at the back. This is the one part. Another one, the crimping tools in here is very complicated for the operator to set the proper position. Now our engineer will show us how difficult to set the tools. because this one is different from the other one. All the cutter is separate. All the cutters is separate.
Have two adjustments one by one.
Yes. So if you want to set the tool, then as our engineer he show right now, he had to loose all the bolt one by one and to adjust the cutters different from the other one. Easily only loose and then take out to adjust. Now you see, he had to manually adjust one by one.
Okay.
And also when he do the adjustment, his hand always hold the cutter. It's very difficult.
More complicated.
More complicated. Exactly, you are right. You are right. Yes. So you see now he set this side. He finished the setting for this side. Now this is the efficiency. Difference.
Yes.
Yes, this is the efficiency difference.
Also, I think if you want to adjust this machine, need fully experience about the adjustment.
Of course. If the operator he want to do it, he want to do this, he want to set the tools, he must have a lot of experience to set it. After he finish this one, he go to the other side to set another tool also. So now it's very, very slow, very difficult. But you know, it's very pitiful. A lot of customers, when they buy the machine, at the beginning they don't understand it. They don't understand it. They only say, oh, this one also the crimping machine looks also quick, because at the crimping moment it's really quick, no difference. But for setting it's very difficult. It's very difficult. But it's very pitiful. The client, when they buy the machine, they don't understand it. They don't know it. Only after they buy the machine, they know the headache. They know the headache, but it's already too late. Already too late.
Also, I think if one customer have many types of profile,
Yes.
The adjustment
Very big trouble.
Yes.
Very big headache.
Yes.
Very big headache.
will waste many times.
Yes. The efficiency is become lower. It means their cost become higher.
Yes.
It means their cost become
Yes,
higher.
I see.
And also right now another trend in the world. Right now most of the workers don't want working in the factory. They want to
Yes.
make the work become easy and become simple.
Yeah.
Become easy and become simple.
Friendly operation.
Yes, yes, right. Yeah. So even our engineer, he had he had also about 20 years experience in this industry, but he also require a lot of time to set up the tools. So now if we compare, the efficiency is very, very obvious, very easily to find out.
Okay.
Yes.
We already got it. This machine will waste many times.
Yes, right.
Yes.
And also another point, as I show you, so for the production, this one cannot be floated down. So after crimping, the operator have to lift up manually and remove away. Yeah, this is also the difference. Also the difference. Yeah. So anyhow, this is the old crimping this is the old crimping machine.
Okay.
This is the new one. And at the beginning, the customer thinking it's no need. But after our customer using, they found it's really very effective. It's really very useful. Right now, we are selling this machine more than 2,000 sets of this machine in the market.
Okay.
Every month, we are producing about 47 sets of this machine.
Oh, 47.
Yes,
Okay.
we supplied a lot in the market now.
Oh, very popular.
Yes,
now.
yes,
Okay.
right. Because of the function, because of the less trouble, because of the easy setting and the quick adjustment.
Okay.
Yes,
Let us come back to the pneumatic corner crimping machine.
yes,
Mac, I
Yeah.
have one question.
Yes.
You know, for many countries,
yes.
they need the sliding windows. Normally, the depth of the sash is very longer.
Oh, okay.
I saw the knife is too shorter.
Okay.
Cannot meet the sliding window sash, the depth.
You are right. This is a very good question.
Yes.
But you know, FENSTEK already solved this problem for you. Because you know, as we told you, FENSTEK right now we export the machine to 77 countries in the world. 77 countries in the world.
77.
77 countries in the world. So according to all the customer feedback, we already upgrade all the machines. Already upgraded these machines. For your question, we already have the special tools. Already
Yeah.
have the special tools. This tools is 16 mm. 16. Yes. So what is the benefit? What is the benefit? Because you know, no matter you are using the sliding door sash or sliding window sash, it's long enough. It's long enough.
Okay.
Yes.
Understand.
Yeah. This is for the sliding window sash and the sliding door sash. And at the meanwhile, we also have another tool. We have another special tools. This is the tools. This is the tools standardly included. This one is for the casement window sash and the casement door sash. As we know, for the casement window and the casement door sash, this side they are not on the same. They are not on the same. The straightness not on the same level. Not on the same level. So for the standard tool, standard corner crimping tool cannot. So that's why we have this special tool. We have this special tool. We have this special tool. Yeah, same. Also, it's installed on the stretch board. Can be easily adjustable. 手电。 Yes. Thank you. So now we show you here. Here. So these tools can be suitable for the case for the different casement window sash and the casement door sash. Yes. So that's why for FENSTEK, we already consider all these points, already upgrade all the tools to be suitable for different customers' requirement. So yes, again, when the customer buys the machine, maybe at the beginning they don't know it, but after they buy the machine, they will know the difference.
Okay.
Yes.
So, Mac, what is the biggest height of this machine?
Okay, this is also a good question. The standard height is 160. The standard height is 160, but as our customer requirement, such as in South Korea or in Turkey, we developed the height to 250 and the maximum is 320. 320. I show you 320. This one is 160. Maximum we come to this 320 as the Turkish customer requirement. Yes.
Okay, understand.
Yes.
Understand. So, Mac,
yeah.
Can you have a brief can you have a summary about this machine?
Okay. So before we summary all the machines, I want to show you another point again. Another point again. Actually, you know, for this machine and this machine, not only the 2 point, like I told you, this one is driven by the compressed air. This one is driven by the hydraulic station. Also, the setting much easier. Another point is, you know, all the table. I show you. All this table, it is solid. It is cast. It is fully cast. Even this tool is also fully cast. So it's very solid. It's very solid. It's different from this way. But if we hear the sound, we can easily check it. We can easily check it. So why we do this? Because we want to keep the machine stable, stable running. So that's why for FENSTEK, when we design the machine, we consider 4 points as our principle. First, function. First is function.
Okay.
Second is precision. The third point, stability. The last point, friendly operation. This is the 4 points for FENSTEK. When we design the machine, we consider the principle. Principle. So now, if I summary all these two,
Wait a moment.
Okay.
Mac.
Yeah.
Just now I found a new point. What is about this barcode?
Oh, okay. This is a very good question. May I borrow the iPhone, the phone from my team? Yeah. Can I borrow the phone? Okay. Actually, this is our unique. This is our production life management system. Products life management system. We just using the application to scan it, then automatically this one, the system is, the internet is not very good. Okay, it is the product life cycle management. So this one is for the customer, for managing the products.
Okay.
Yes, in case of the products have any problem or any feedback, all can be done in this system.
Okay.
Yes, this is also the difference between our FENSTEK and others.
Okay.
Yes.
Mac,
Yes.
I think this time you can have a summary about this machine.
Okay, now I can give you a summary about this machine. Yeah. So again, this corner crimping machine is fully pneumatic controlled. No oil leaking problem. And because of the special designing of all these tools, so to make the crimping tool setting become very easy and very quick. This is the second point. Also, because of the special designing, we can keep the machine stably running.
Yeah.
Yes. So I'm thinking this is the full introduction about this machine. About this machine.
Okay.
Yes.
Very good.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for Max's introduction.
You're welcome.
If you have any question, please visit our website or subscribe our YouTube account or Facebook account. You can know more knowledge about our corner crimping machine. Okay.
Yeah,
Max.
and also because this is the live show, live
Yes.
demo. So in case our customer have any questions, you just drop your message, just
Yes.
leave your message. Our team will support you. And also it's our FENSTEK big pleasure to communicate with our friends, our customers.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, Max.
Yeah.
Let us see another machine about the CNC copy router machine. Right?
Okay. Yes.
Can you have a brief introduction about this machine?
Okay. So this one is our CNC copy routing machine. It is a 3-axis. It is a 3-axis CNC copy routing
This
machine.
is the model.
Yeah, the model is CMC 3-2500.
Okay.
CMC 3-2500.
Yes.
Yeah, this
you
one.
You can search this machine on our website.
Yes.
Or YouTube account.
Yes.
Or Facebook account.
Yes, right. And this one is a 3-axis CNC copy routing machine. It can be used for milling, for drilling, for tapping, for chamfering, and for end milling. I show you. So, as you know, for the PVC window production, for aluminum window production, we have to mill the slot, the handle hose, all can be done in here. And also, in case some customer require the end milling,
Okay.
the end milling. If they require the end milling, also the tool is available. The tool is also available. So
Okay.
it means for this one, all the milling, drilling, and chamfering and end milling can be done by this machine. It's
Okay.
fully computer controlled. Fully
Okay.
computer controlled.
Okay. So,
Yes.
Mac,
Yeah.
can you introduce our machine's advantage?
Okay. Fine. If we are talking about the advantage, and first I want to show. I'm thinking maybe I will let our engineer to demo the machine first. Maybe we let our
Okay.
engineer to demo the
Okay.
machine first.
That is better.
Yeah, so let our friends understand the machine much easily. Then I will introduce some main functions, some main feature again.
Okay.
Okay.
Easily understand about this machine's function.
Yes, right, right. So we ask our engineer to demo this machine.
First of all, engineer wear the safety glasses.
Yes, this is required. This is very required. So actually, now at the meanwhile, I can introduce to you our controlling system. Our controlling system is the Germany power automation. Germany power automation. Yeah, okay, you can go ahead. You can go ahead. Our engineer, he already made the program. He already made the program. Now he will show us the motor already start. So it start milling. full cycle, the full processing already finished. The full processing already finished. Yeah. So now we show you. Now we show you. So you see, all the slot, no any burst, no any burst. Yes, very sharp. Yes, no any burst. So the three side. So from the demo we can see. Our operator, he made the program in here. Then the machine will be fully automatic computer controlled. The table can be rotated automatically rotate from 0, 90, and 180 degrees. The three side can be mute. So it is fully used to replace the manual copy routing machine. Okay. Because you know why? You know, right now most of the manual manufacturers are still using the manual copy routing machine. But for the manual copy routing machine, first, it's very slow. Very slow. Yes. Yeah, very slow. Yeah, this is one point. Because right now the labor cost become higher and higher. If too much slow, then your production cost become higher. This is first is very slow. Second, you know, for this one, if you manually doing the job, the sound is very high. It's not so much healthy for the operator. Yeah. Not so much healthy for operator. This is the second point. The third one, you know, for the manually operating the machine, manually using the copy router, they have a lot of bursts. Then it's difficult to install the hardware. Mm-hmm. This is the third point. The fourth point, you know, because it's manually, it's not so much easy for operator to find the position very precisely. Then it's difficult to install the hardware also. Mm-hmm. So because of the 4 point, slow, noisy, and a lot of bursts, and less position precision. So now more and more window manufacturers, they want to buy this machine to replace the copy routing machine, replace the manual copy routing machine. So this is the function for this machine.
Okay.
Yes.
So now let us introduce this machine's advantage.
Okay. So now I show you. Okay, good. So now I show you. First, if you want to ask me what is the advantage for our machine, first I want to show you our controlling system. This full system,
like a computer.
Yes, this full system we are using the Germany power automation. This one is based on the Windows environment. So what is the benefit for the operator? First, as you said, the interface is just like the normal computer. It's different from the very traditional, the machinery language interface. It's very difficult for the operator. This is one point. The interface is more friendly. One point. Second, you know, if the operator don't know how to make the program, then they can easily get the file. From the office. Or if they have the software, to generate the program, also they can easily using the barcode scanning. Also they can do barcode scanning. Or they also can import the DXF file, then automatically generate the program. So it's much easier for operator to make the program. This is the second benefit. The third benefit is the machine, we can easily connect the Wi-Fi, the internet. So it means we can remote control the machine by TeamView or some other application. In case the machine has any problem, we can remote control. Become much easier for the operator. So that's why we are using this system. This system is very different from other companies. We know a lot of companies in the market, they are using some very economical system. So when the customer buys the machine, maybe they don't understand. But after they using the machine, they know the troubles. If they have the problem, they don't know how to solve it. Also cannot get the online support. Too much difficult. Also because all the interface is a machinery language, difficult for the operators. So this is the reason. This is the reason we are using this operation system. Of course, the cost is high, but brings the more higher value to the customers. This is one.
Yes,
second is the spindle. For the spindle, we are using Italy HSD 4.5 kilowatt. 4.5 kilowatt electrical spindle. What is the meaning? What is the benefit for operator? This one is 4.5 kilowatt. It's much higher than normal manual copy routing machine, because normally manual copy routing machine, the motor is only 1 kilowatt. 1 kilowatt, or even less than 1 kilowatt. So that's why they have a lot of burst. But for this one, is a 4.5 kilowatt. It's very powerful, very less burst on the leading edge. That's why we can assure the leading edge very nice, no burst. This is the second point. The third point, the same for the servo motor, the XYZ, the 3 servo motors, we are using Japan Yaskawa.
Okay.
And also even the reel, even like the square reel in here, and also in here, we are using Taiwan Heaven. We can show you Taiwan Heaven. I'm not so sure whether you can get it clearly or not. Here is the Taiwan Heaven. Yeah, Taiwan Heaven. So this is from all my introduction, you can understand we are using the high quality configuration, high European components to assemble the machines. So it's really like the European machine, but it's only assembled in China. This is the reason. This is the difference. This is the difference.
Mac, I have another question.
Yes.
Because for other suppliers, we can adopt the same configuration with us.
Okay.
How can we make sure the high machine's precision contrasts with other suppliers?
This is also the good question. We understand, some customers, they also say, oh, Mike, we also can, some other suppliers can promise us they also using this system.
Yes.
They're using the same configuration. Okay, we agree. But we don't know whether they really, when they make the promise, but whether they really deliver the promise or not, we don't know. We don't know whether they really do it or not. But for FENSTEK, this is our standard. This is our standard. We never compromise on this. This is our standard. This is one point.
Okay.
Second, I want to show you, this is a rotatory table. Here is a rotatory table. This is one of the main parts of the machine, of this machine, because this table always rotate. 0, 90, and 180. Always rotate.
Yes.
So these parts become very, very important. Very important. So I can show you. For this shaft, how much?
72.
For this shaft, we are using the 72 mm. But a lot of other suppliers, they are using only 30 or 40 mm spindle. Only the 30 or 40 shaft. So again, when the customer buys the machine, they don't understand it. But after they using, especially after long time rotating, the precision cannot be assured. So this is very different.
Okay,
Yes.
understand.
And even in here, excuse me. Yeah, even in here, this plate, how much? What is the thickness?
24.
24 mm. It's very thick, very heavy duty. But a lot of companies, they are only using the plate 12 mm. So, this is all the difference. The customer cannot see, but the quality different. The quality different, the cost different. Of course, it will bring the different value to the customers. Bring the
Okay.
different value to the customer.
Understand.
But for
Understand.
FENSTEK, we don't want to compromise on this. We only want to assure the high quality to bring the high value to the customers. Even like this part, like all the clamping, we show you. Even like all the clamping tools, the designing is also very unique. Most other companies, they are using the square. But we are using the dovetail. Why we are using this is more precise, more stable. Yes. Now our operator, our engineer will show you. Yes. This is the designing. Most of the company, they are using the square. The production is very easy, but the precision cannot be assured.
Okay.
Precision cannot be assured.
Another
Yes.
point, Mike.
Yes.
I saw this is the yellow mic. That is a special meaning about
Oh, okay.
this mark.
This is a good question. Actually, this is one part of our controlling system, our quality control system. Because for all the boat, after we finish all the job, after we finish the quality control, the quality testing, we put the glue
Okay.
to seal it, and then we put the yellow mark.
Okay.
So why? It is very easy for the operator. In case they found the mark, the yellow mark is changed, they know the boat get loose, so they can easily detect it.
Okay.
Of course, as we told you,
Understand.
we have the glue inside already, not easily get loose, but
Okay.
only in worst case, if get loose, also the operator can easily find out. This is the reason we put the yellow mark.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
And also,
What's this? The
okay,
paper?
yes, and also this is another part of our quality control. This is our BOM.
Okay.
Yeah, our BOM sheet to show all the material for assembling these machines. And this is our checking list. This is the checking list. What is the items we should check? So all this belongs to our quality control.
Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Very
Yes.
good.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Mac, for
Yes.
this machine,
Yeah.
can you have a summary about this machine?
Okay. So again, this is the CNC copy routing machine. It is a 3-axis XYZ, the 3-axis CNC copy routing machine. The table can be automatically rotate 0, 90, and 180 degrees. It can be fully used for milling, for drilling, for the window production, productions. Yeah, it can be fully replace the manual copy routing machine to improve the production efficiency, to reduce the labor cost, to keep the higher and stable quality for the window fabricators.
Okay.
Yes.
Just now, I have a question suddenly.
Yeah.
This machine can do the facade processing.
Okay, this is a good question. If the customer requires this machine, or they want to use this machine to process the facade working piece, temporarily it can be okay. But generally speaking, we suggest our customer to buy the 4-axis machining center. Machining center to specially process the facade working piece. We have the 4-axis machining center in the production process. And in the next live demo, we will introduce that machine.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Mac.
Yes.
Your introduction is very professional.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is our corner crimping machine and CNC copy router machine. If you have any question, please visit our website or subscribe our YouTube account or Facebook account. Welcome your message on our account. Okay, our next live show is the 2nd August. We will introduce our aluminium double head cutting machine and cutting center for you. Thanks
Yeah.
for your watching. See you next time.
Thank you much for your watching. Thanks everyone. And
Okay.
we believe the next demo show will be more excellent.
Yes.
Especially our CNC cutting center
Yes.
is very unique in the market.
Yes.
We welcome everyone to join to watch again.
Yes.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thanks for your watching.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
bye-bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.